The Solomon four-group design is one of the gold standards in training evaluation. It combines two of the designs that we've already learned about, the post-test only with comparison group design and the pre-test post-test with comparison group design. This method requires 4 groups, 2 training groups, and 2 comparison groups, which means it requires a lot of resources. In exchange for the time and money it takes to implement this complex design, we can be more sure, more confident that the results, whatever they are reliable and valid. This design can assess whether change occurred and whether training caused it. Let's take a quick look at the 4 groups included in this design. The first group is the first training group, and they complete both a pre-test and a post-test. The second group is the first comparison group. They complete both the pre-test and the post-test as well. The third group is the second training group, who only take the post-test. The fourth group is the second comparison group, who only takes the post-test. These 4 groups allow us to make all kinds of comparisons to determine and validate training effects.